we have launched the construction of the road, the earth cutting, starting with effect on 21st February. We have launched somewhere. What is that place called? Serakah. Today we have taken the opposite direction of opening the road. This is called, in politics, we call it inclusive politics. Because we launch from there, we're opening from the north to the south direction. No? These are all being programmed, of course, with the blessing of God the Almighty. Edena launch Soji. Now, Iman Tin Hoise, Topana Hoje, Tumikada Hoise. 21st February, 23rd May 2026, Melailedo, 1 year, 3 months, do this. Not 3 months, not 2 months, do this, I said, no? March 21st, April 21st, May 21st, so we are, my mathematics is correct. We are in 1 year, 3 months, do this. Nah? Government laga specification to exalif do lage na engineer sahab. So which means work order was issued sometime in first week of December. Na kida kurish last 2024. 2024 6 December work order do issue kurish. Amaghan majode ekjon pura bisi jana nishna kotha koi. Ekta group pura daikhan bisi expert nishna kotha koi. Inena chucha chuchi kurigena. We have wasted about December first week they issue kurish, so we will count the whole December. December, January, February. 3 non-raining season. Na Nagaland do 2 months night. So Amagan 3 months to waste kurish. So I make decision no. I represent this stretch of the area, the constituency 40 boundary. Aro there is a school of thought. Kumba koi politics nahi bolage, MLA no ko bolage koi. I mean, what a funny way of doing things. Amagan election contest kora do, development ani bo nimide contest kore do. Amagan election contest kori na jita do, mano. Edo ekdom upai na thaka kan mudot kori na mano kori bo dibo. Inena kori kina ekdom bhavna kori kina contest kore do. To MLA para ko no go lage, politician ke ko no de tung ina jo, inde apfo mo tsinti jo. From boy na choji nang. From boy na choji me ma, nga sina jo. Mo ta sang tong ai tunga. Budi mek nan de support rehta ta ina. Inde jo mon de sangala elect choji. Me to ba. Elect choi basi elected member nan ta choda go elected member nya no ken de shigo do. Elected member na ko constituency development ya ko jun zi shigo do. Ndo limai banda do. No. Ayo tu na tu politics ja na tu anan ja chwagala. Ede dong ede le janji. Imagine to go na on the 21st of February. I mean decision loise. Geolivy we wasted the best months, weeks. December panin de kera laka. January panin de kera laka. February. So Jopor to say amakan 21st to launch kurish. That is called launching. Aji to new English word ahe ko amakan opening. Aji to aji mamakan shop kushi kabo lagi. So Edo tinda moina do amakan helai dishe by aro the highest rainfall. Edo kobo lage last year, na? Last year. Pura thaki. According to the Amakan NSDMA report, highest rainfall Nagaland do last year. Aro edo sal doro na punsha na pare kiras huए. So इनका होएगा Amakan contractor kan भी एकदम तो पाई के नाम भी तो पूरा pressure दी के ना पूरी बोधी से आज तो एकदम thanks पारी के ना लिखे दिखाए ना काम तो सो रोइसे खत्म करे दिखाओ लगे हर बात politics सोन्यांगी हिंदी जो क्या कहता था सो रहे सोन्यांगी चितू में आना हो चितू बोलते हैं सही इधर शिविश तो माँ in our HDPP meeting, Subdivisional Planning and Development Board, Pandri, Amahan decision Loise, engineer bit Hagishe, contractor contract Laise, Trish Laka Lakshaktor Habu. 31st of March, the Rasta Lamia 31st March, Take, Bude, going up warning this contractor. So I can be actum Ari Pari, Olivi, Trish Khan Nimido. RCC wall lage, so RCC wall to ki lage. Itu engineer pura kan kobo, kami to politics se police engineer to pura. But curing period na, itu amakan RCC itu punai kena ek महीना तो मालिक तो कौन आसी पानी दी था के तो ना मिस्त्री kan itu di sana. So itu curing period lagi, curing period. Oh, zabi, oji, foto na oji. 오풍으로 나나 오층포 메가마 세멘 하장 요원작 농로도 붙이로 또 번지지 수학 맞지 저거나 마다로서나 오층원 미기세 가 오츠 피하나 가다기는 없잖아 그 맞지 저거나 장조하나 이런 저거로 신소나 또한데 장지 소다나 그렇지 오나이죠 हम로세 가 by 31st of March 아마 관계 라스트 거기나 다가이세 디파트먼트 프라비 다가이세 아미 프라도아로 고마워나리 다가이 다제 애드미니스트레이션 다이간 남아관계 코오퍼레이션 디게나 에디아 아지도 굴리고 바리시 because public 간 프라도 individual opinion도 베시 다기고 아마간 에도 호니 다길래도 마노간도 아카스 공시 다기고 네 또 그나 제가 있다 에 목다는데 또 그나 다가 오케이 중이난 또 모바일 치에 못다 오센 청다 감카니를 베란다 부지메가 진짜 소제메가 엘리로 차유슈 그마 엘리지 뱅가오지 뜨고나 에누모 엘리지 타쿠슈 도지 아기 죽는도 미안하 부지네 지소나 그마 지뜨고나 층 언제 나죠 층 초로 또가 엔하가라 엔하 또라 가들라 노 불로서나 데리데린 소자물 주소나 Contractor should assure us today in front of the executive engineer, the administration here, that you must attend to those areas which are yet to be completed. Itu amakan assurance undertaking contractor amakan di tipo lagi. Because I am aware, kung pa lagade do, ekta tuita olop solop kanto, arobi hakibo pare. Olebi, forever rasta to punay hakibo na lagi po. We cannot keep constructing the road forever. There should be an end to it. Soon hoise khudam karibo lage to. Itu hota hai nitu nimite chakra laga kotha noi to. Itu karone itu amakan achi janibo laga do. This stretch is the bottleneck of the transnational highway, Nagaland highway. This is actually transnational Nagaland highway. I mean, niche Pralan area president का पदो reply दिए itu पिछले आपने kan आरो re-decision लोगों लगी I'll come back there तो itu amakan excel time दिसे by December आपने kan लगा time खत्म हो जाए actually तो ले if you are to count from the work order issue ना so let us say that we launch on 21st आपने kan लगा time to 21st February तक खत्म हो जाए ना so March April May, I got department get 3 months extension there, which is not much. It will be a me, it will be enough to the Mugona Dignaji Logre. Amakan, Etia Rastado, Hiledo, the man who put a bit away again. After the country, oh, it's a commercial city, commercial. I am told, Edu Rasta Loigina. 100 ले मेरा बनी तो every day 200 to 300 अपनी जानी को अपन तो यहाँ एरिया है तो लगा बाकी करेंगे minimum 200 300 minimum 300 itu रास्ता जो है itu heavy loss करेंगे ना ये जो हमारे administration पर आप order issue करें आपने kan crusher union kan amakan के कंसाई दिशे किसी thank you लेकिन itu बड़ा नोबल है itu अच्छी बड़ा रास्ता तो itu strict हो amakan itu public nih media sih तो makan lah business boy itu pura भी पूरी lebih business nih media hasil lebih for it is actually for the suffering public amakan itu bujuk lagi itu रास्ता तो amakan itu asam par gurih kena public kan basic tupai থাকে itu karena This was conceptualized to help the needy and the poor. Asian Khan, Tukia Baja Khan Nimide, Duponash. You know, Tumakan Laga business, regular Raido, Iba Guribo, Amakan Aji, the Kibo, Gidia, Edu, the Piaobo, Abnegan, prepare Gurbo. Government can only do up to this extent at the moment. Nah, Edu, public and Edu Bujibo Lage, Edu Dole, flag topping Laga, Taikan Gate Yano way. Taikan Gate Yadole, Rastado. Earth cutting, Matito Kundibi, Tadi Oporde, Ekta layer, Hanibi. Wegena, Pathor Ekta layer Laga, Wopod Rest. So, Amakan to keep Bujisha, Ede Jung, Ede Range, Ede Public Nanga, Teojo. She black top side contract that an ape you should take a hangama. Niruka Tejo, contractor Jijo and Judo Megama, Orang Jijo. Lokoji Gorajang Gonjoy, Zakatuki, de la Pitagojilina. Onu Motanga Oji, Fumotanga, Fumotanga is how to go on a picture. The my young Joe, Satu Sisi, Etungusadia, and Oro Channel Jindo, Onan Livani. Jizogona, Ondina Toda Gojijo, Inugo Tai Takado, Ujino Chimachishugada. Don't know the Hawadela for Tagojiha, when Yangan Humo, when the thing is Yojiha, Yanchuki. 아니 기제도 그만 짓어보나 에는거 애들 공장진 아버지 또 분한 앵아 해지도 지죠 애들 또 분한 거만 안에는 가야 좋아도 비즈니스 거리 하다가 아버지가 이도 나가 스트레스 돼 every day 2 to 300 heavy truck load itu bi normal truck load lebih sih biano lebih domakan 10 tons pokoknya boleh 20 tons pokoknya motor tuh ini nggak ada kira rasa biano kok best of the best, Ambani Brahigina, so the richest man in India, not world. I end up with a little bit like Manatakibodo. Itu Garne, Amakan India, public organization, Ralan, Largo, Yabu Amakan Melaina. Yet the given contractor and to Perase with the coordination from the administration. Amakan, itu India district. Ami Tade, Ami Laga, you have my authority. Jadi kami jadi tadi amakan misi berai gina rasta tu biar berguna. ADCO office pra amakan 31st of this month, na May 31st. Pun bi tu rasta ni berabo, wegina tu ratio kuri gina se. Aji khuli se, oli bi aji khulia laga itu berabo tipu laga noi de. Itu tu till 31st dah kan ki repair kuru lagi kuri bo. Itu piche diri ki kuru bola se kuri thaki bo. Oli bi till such time pun bi ne berabo till 31st. Now. Bridge kan tu amakan try kena saat amde, sabu aji tu bridge contractor kan tu spot deh rupiah se, ya deh tu akan ay, boleh bi, kami department dia boleh thaga tu, bridge kan tu aji tu today is 23rd of May, ek mana ay boleh, 23rd of June, boleh bi tak kan ek tu request boleh tu, let us say first week of July, ek mana Ata ide dah aku buat na. First week of July deh, kurang kulit. Itu di mana itu not kulit. Itu kami naruh buat dia. Ini mana rasta tu kulit je, ide bridge tu complete kulit na public je, kena buat juga. Itu kalau bridge ni milih aja. Otherwise, now you can take this road public kan. Ini lainnya sampai sudah. Kalau aku kunci, cipu screw nyagai janji. Onde 나도 어제 반도 West Bengal election 지나 미스터리에 지나 이거 나가다 초디도 노예 초도도 그마 어지나 유다이즈 간이시시 지나가 또선 청타고 수가 알아도 탕 달게 초도 맞지 저거나 지조에는 뭐 아들아 투라세 하다 바이다가 그지 디파트먼트 브라더 노트 아마간 에 뭐이나 아타 다이간 지올리비 바이 소리에 반죠 베라바데 데좀 호텔 장조 앵가로에 그날 돼 아마 능 내가 되다죠 오용하라는 능 예산하다 그마 올란진도 지스고 올란지 한다라 올란지 뉴지도 봐라 올란지 뭐지 나이 사고네들의 토인치로 저가로 오용한 치유장자 주로기 얘나 오다오지 않는 거 그마 올란지 니 문고에 니 파미 이탁라 그마 지스고나 꿈에 나더라 산비사고 혹시 에움바 본다리아 또브나 쿵 남밤 쿵 那这来什么？不罗呢？看那医生那这不错了，shortcut 这样的，那么，还有来做样做，也不可能做，哎这比mon diong sang chung jang nambat, buku nambat sambil ya, untuk no si itu kau lagi sambil kan, anak mengat tu lagi lagi kau dia, kema itu no main lung tak kan, kema jadi tu mana bulan je, nzang dah lihat tu, sudah bulan kan, tengok, itu no, lung bulan ni dia bulan, faham macam, itu tu mana ni lah, anak dia tu lagi jo. 얘는 한데 나도 레졸루션 파스로 하라 고양 구다도 나고 그러나 저게 고양 구다나 CC 구다나 좀 비도 봐. 우리는 이놈아 비오도 나로. 아. 근데 너부나 비제가 에 통화 미팅 줄라나. 에데 메레나 얘는가 에 좋은 줄라나 그만 비란 비들이고 그만 에데 이제 통화 에 통보다 남도 미팅 줄라나. National Highway Act 1956 Assembly Oji pass kule do ezo ala. Aduna de government na kuda da bogo lisana jamji zai juda sanda kita oji. Sijo de logo ramang yang choma de na ba lain lana wa tang eketso do chugma si ekiji 얘는 간저 pass kule do ezo ala. Na 맞다. 그도 뭐지 pass 투하사나 ni logoji Indian libums kitlenji mbonyumona so meaning your land belongs to the president of India meaning apnar laga mati dole president of India logode jaija na uji gun pass to na hadule no budung uji pass segido inde piasana advantage dolado na 이거 orang yang mengubah Nggak ada. National Highway Act cipas say, bociluna compensation de bigman de loco manjin de bigma orang yang mengubah. Kema, lu bocilai cipu, orang cilai cipu tu kada deci kemana nak aja kema. Kadola, orang cijo cuma di kelo, ojaja sudah kelo. Lu bocijo, the land and its resources belongs to the people tu. Indian constitution membaca nang kema jitu na boci
I have so many people to thank. Anyway, I'll try to cut it short. First of all, I must acknowledge and thank our honorable MLA for the Bangladesh Assembly. As he has said, I know how he fought in the assembly, and I know how many times he argued with the Honorable Chief Minister, who happened to be a relative of mine. So I'm also so agree with this. It was only because of his personal insistence. Yes, all these efforts were all from 2003. Catalia, mentioning the level of importance, attention, all credit goes to our honorable MLA. And I, on behalf of the two firms and on behalf of the public, I really want to acknowledge your efforts and thank you for whatever you have done. First time for me, I'm facing the Department of R&D. And I realized how these people work. Honorable Minister himself, the Chief Engineer himself, the Additional Chief and the Superintendent Engineer, and of course, E. Pakti and his SDO. He was like a posted here, like not government posting, it was like a seat. He was employed for JK Construction and Chapun. I really want to appreciate and thank your cooperation and your blessing. Later on, I have so many things to say how they have contributed. I must thank the administration sincerely, because we were making sub-base with mud. And with God's blessing of so much rain, even one gypsy cannot ply. And so many drenches were made on the road because of the business around here. There are only 19 stone crushers here and 2 sawmills. So let us just imagine the condition of the traffic movement here, heavy traffic. But the administration, they understood, and they balanced both the needs of the contractors, the needs of the public, and the needs of the stone crusher mills. So this time we had to finish this. But due to the cooperation and the blessing of the administration and these mill owners, we were not Chorado. This is already 3rd week. No flying, except small things here. Duka, in general, it was almost trafficless. But thank God.
Under SACSI 2022-2024, the financial year, a total of 8 work orders were issued for foothill project in under Baki division, which is inclusive of 3 road packages and 5 double-length modular steel bridges. The total stretch of the road taken up in this phase was from Grand Bridge at Governor's Camp to Merapani, covering a distance of 38.6 kilometers. The work was divided into 3 packages as follows. Governor's Camp, Grand Bridge to Santanchi River, that is GP Junction. 14 km to 29 km. Total length is 15 km. And the second one is Santanchi River, TP Junction to Pangtong Village Road Junction. That is kilometer 29 km to 44 km. Total length is 15 km. And that one is from Pangtong Village Road Junction to Merapani. Merapani Oka Road Junction. Oka Merapani Road Junction. That is 44 km to 52 km plus 600 meters. That is total length is 8.600 km. The scope of the work includes earth cutting for upgradation of road to 2-lane specifications, lane of sub-granular base, that's called GSB in short, layer of 150 mm thickness, earthen shoulders, unlined side rail, reconstruction of 66 numbers of hill pipe culverts, new construction of 80 numbers of hill pipe culverts, construction of 5 box culverts, and protection walls. Except for GSB item on the bridge location, nearby bridge location, all road works have been completed. Hence, the progress of the work is nearby, still in progress nearby the bridge, because approach slab has not been laid. That's why total progress report of the work is 99%. It's almost more or less complete. And double length modular steel bridges were constructed along the foothill road alignment over Chakpanchi River, that is 50 feet span, Sandachi River, that is 18 feet span, and Chungchi River, that is 50 feet span, and Sangachi River, that's also 50 feet span, and Zamang River, 50 feet span. The launching and erection of superstructure of all the 5 bridges has been completed. 15 works all completed. construction of toe wall, approach slab, river apron, and post erection works are in progress. So the overall progress of the work for bridges is 98%. This is advisory on restriction of heavy vehicles. Due to fund constraint, the road pavement works was restricted to GSP layer of 150 mm only. This is a sub-base layer only, not a surfacing course. That is not meant for prolonged and continuous traffic movement. If fund permits, it is advisable to provide base course and surfacing layer at the earliest, so that no more traffic can fly over the road. Till such time, some restriction on tonnages permissible loading is advised. Thank you.
Because it was just mud, could not get settled, so much of traffic. So that deceive I should say. Only be show more and more. American Kota Goigina. American Ekino. We have contributed maybe about 1,500 trips of sand gravel, which is not in the DPR. Right?
मतलब ये तो की थाली को लगे था
नहीं because
ये तो एडिशनल लगा दिया
additional लगे नोले तो मार्केट तो stable नोले तो देखो वाला अमेरिकन GSP लगा तो ना पारे हाँ तो वाले छोटे मोटे contribution ऐसे में अच्छा आरो department लगा TPR जो तो वाले box culvert वैसे तो ना only the army can go to a box culvert will be pictured in the picture of box. Pani Laka, the other issues. Goigina, army can go in a Joe. TPR night, only be slab culvert Corridina. One even the Tinta head Corridis, Piano, Corribono to Pishi, only be Tinta Corridis. Aro hume pipe to American size sub nabungche to bara Twitter he extra dignity. Holibi MLA to learn bareto kwase American etu kam to khotam holibi. I think we are planning another 2 hume pipes, which is essential. The local area in charge country to us, I should drink this to go. Country than a 2 months Nakatuma, she should that we have agreed. So we will do all that additional work. Elagi, no, you go from money, go so cute to Masanato. Then Chochigana, many a year, years to वो पाइलनी कम होगा जो प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द जिना प्रेस वाल हा 30 meters हरवा 100 feet plus जो होगा शेहा एडिशनल जो प्रोजेक्ट इन जुगाना हाँ बस आनंद सुनते तो का ये ना गाना पेन का minor repairs hello से चुम्बु तो वो चांग जो ये ना हाथों से चोई जावा मुझे हाँ तो का जिना till at least the end of the month. We hope that we will complete small patching works. Last, engineer it needs curing. Come on, area we will have to do small patch up works. Also, Ola Shintana Guta Dana, Ruko Foro, Sotoka, Photopia, Sotoka. Tolimano, Licho, Top, Alutaka. Kala, Shumde. Apojo, Ayam Hunga Kala, Apojo Randan, Tumu. Anan Chumuno, Yumutaka Jalan, and then a Zotoka, and Ayoranda Yasana, Nuncia. Was a two just support told you to I'll get the Jata Lambazi. You took a I forgive them. God bless them. My only utterance for my critics and unnecessary enemy creations. Chang Chukona Chok, God bless you. Tunde Matuna Hai Zogana. Tunde Mwana Tanga Mun Patin Changa Randana. Are you Catholic? Shiji Napu Randana Gabu. Randanyagana. May God bless them. Good Chwakana. And finally, I want to thank all of you, and especially the house owner, Chenjamo, who has
Ito na ni. Ito na. Should we start? Sir, you have apni Rasta inspect Prilushi or inaugurate Prilushi. So, Rasta laga, are you satisfied with the work?
Well, of course, that's why I have opened the road. Now, we have launched on the 21st of February 2025. Today is 23rd May 2026. So exactly 1 year, 3 months, 2 days. This should have been completed within a span of 1 year as per the work order. So I've been impatiently waiting that the contractor should expedite, and today they have done it as per the specification. At the moment it's only one layer GSP laying. So whatever is being provided under the work order, they've executed perfectly. So I'm satisfied, and therefore we have opened. The only thing that is remaining is the bridge requires certain time for curing period. So we will have to wait for 1 more month to fully make this road operational. So I'm grateful to the landowners and the people of Fort Diphandari Assembly constituency also, and the lower public.
Sir, like you've mentioned, itata bridge to complete one night. So why inaugurate 1 month prior to the completion?
Well, see, the surface road and bridge construction, they are two different entities. The surface road earth cutting as well as GSP laying is given to JK Constructions and Chapu and Company. So as far as their portion is concerned, they have executed and they have completed. And therefore, since I have launched the opening of the road, I mean the starting of the road, it is also my bounden duty to ensure that throughout the year I have been monitoring that this should be completed within a span of 1 year. So it is my duty to come and open the road. For the bridge contractor, that is also, it has been given to some other firm. They are still yet to complete, because as I said, because of the curing period required. So we will wait for a month and see that the road, the road is open for the public. But as far as the surface road is concerned, it is completed. So we can't wait for 1 more month for the, for the inauguration. So I think we have done according to the wishes of the people, and it has to do it on time. Timely, we have to.
Sir, since phase 1 is complete by now, so is there any provision for phase 2 as well?
Well, it is my request to the government of Nagaland, especially the Department of Road and Bridges, to kindly give us some amount for blacktopping as well as extension of the road that is still yet to be covered under my constituency, that is towards Chambang area, and that is still yet to be covered. So it is my request to the department especially to include in the next phase for blacktopping of this stretch, because this road is a very heavy traffic road. You can imagine there are about 200 to 300 truck heavy load ply in this road. So without blacktopping, with this GSP laying, it will be washed away by this heavy laden truckloads. So therefore, it is my request to the government to give us some amount for blacktopping, and also the construction of the road, the foothill road, stretching towards Jambang area. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.